Hello everyone, welcome to TradeLyser's How To series. In this video, we're going to see how to customize the account settings. There are a few questions like whether we can able to customize the account once we have created that account. What kind of customizations that can be done? What kind of options that has been selected initially that can be changed? So in this video, we'll see that what are the options available and why we have restricted to certain limitations into the account settings basically. So head on to the accounts page. In the action section, you have options called settings, where you can go ahead and edit only certain portions of it. Say for example, there is a question which I can see from a couple of users that the calculation type of first in first out that need to be changed into a weighted average in the later point in time, whether we can able to do it. So we have restricted this to the account level. As I initially said, it's a one-to-one mapping with the account and the broker, and we want to make sure that all the calculations and metrics has been enabled and calculated right from the day one the account gets activated. So we are completely restricting the user to change the calculation type or the connection method what is getting created when the account gets created basically. Yeah. So if you can see, if you can go ahead and edit the name of the account for any reason. If you want to keep different names over here at any point in time, you can do that. But eventually the connection type and the connection mode is restricted completely. If you have selected auto sync up, it's going to be always auto sync up account. If it's going to be a manual import, it's going to be always an import account only. You cannot go ahead and change at any frequent point in time. So the reason behind, as I already mentioned, which is going to help the system be consistent enough to provide you with the necessary configurations and metrics insights which is required for it. That's the specifically what I want to highlight it, why we are restricting customizing the calculation type and the mode. Apart from that, all the other configurations are like customizable at any point in time. Hope you like watching this video. See you in the next episode. Thank you.